you might recognize this bowl. It's from a Spruce Burl, and I've turned it twice now. And I've had so many people tell me they wish I had made the bowl larger and deeper that I've decided I'm going to put it on the lathe one more time and see what I can come up with. Now that's going to mean losing a lot of this, if not all of this natural edge up here. But my favorite part is this right here. I love the looks of that. So I'm going to put this back on the lathe, make this deeper, make it wider. So let's go over to the lathe and see what happens this time. Yes, I'm going to take all of this off. I think it would be the easiest way to try to do anything with this surface. I'm going to be turning this at 900 RPM. It's the fastest I can do without getting a lot of vibration, and using my usual 3/8 inch bowl gouge. I'm getting close, but as you can see, I'm going to have to true this entire surface up. I'm going to start working on the bowl. I have a curved tool rest. I've had this around for years and never used it, but I'm going to give it a try now. One thing I've noticed is that just doing a test like this, when I come around, I'm going to have to bring the handle way up to avoid the corner of the post here. And that's going to be feeling a little strange for me. But let's just see what happens when we give it a try. Well, it's not working too bad, but there's just too much vibration. I don't know if it's going to show up here very well, but I'm seeing light through here now, which I don't think is a bad thing. In fact, I kind of like it. But I'm going to have to try this now with the dreaded carbide tool. This is not solid enough, so I'm going to try that now. I'm getting a lot of extremely heavy chip out here. So I'm going to try turning this in reverse and see if this will do a better job. Well, it's a long way from perfect, but it certainly is better than what it was. I think this is as big a bowl as I want. I don't want to go down too deep because there's a lot of natural edge here and I want to leave it alone. I don't want to blow it out. So I'm going to sand this now and I'll be back. Well, I'm pleased. And if you're one of those who said you wanted a larger bowl and thinner walls, I hope you like it too. I haven't done much of anything to work with the voids. Nothing's filled. The inclusions are all left as they were, and it's just soaked with mineral oil. Got a couple of holes in here. There's one large one there, and then a couple more along these pieces. So I'm not going to be putting any liquids in this, that's for sure. I want to thank my friend Dick again for supplying the Spruce Burl. It was interesting to turn. I think it's got some very beautiful patterns in it. And I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for stopping in. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't done that before, and come back next time. Click the like button if you like what I'm doing, and if you don't like something, tell me. I can't change anything if you don't tell me what's wrong. So again, thank you for stopping in. I hope you come back next time, and between then and now, have a great day in your shop and be safe. Now go turn something. Take care.